जब भी मैं एक प्रोडक्ट को एंडोर्स करती हूँ, I always believe in being loyal to my brands, and Fiamma Tea was being one of them. So, and more than anything, I think for the kind of routine that I have, for the kind of profession that I am in, मैं रोज मेकअप पहनती हूँ, so it's very important for me to use something that's gentle on my skin and works for my skin. So, Fiamma Tea will Skin Sense. I have a different kind of association with modeling, लेकिन अभी मैं actor हूँ, and I'm enjoying the kind of films that I'm doing, and I love being in front of the camera, and I love performing. So, hopefully I'm here to stay for many, many years. Imtiaz obviously thought that I was suitable for the role, and that's why he took me for the film. And I'm sure, Kareena and Imtiaz have given one hit together, and I'm sure they're going to work together very soon. But for me, it's been a wonderful experience so far, and the film's not over yet. I have a lot left to shoot. It's been a great experience working with Saif. He's like a child, and he needs to be taken care of. But he's an extremely caring and considerate person, and he's a fabulous actor. I think thanks to the media, आजकल काफी आसान हो रहा है. I think a lot of youngsters now are getting a bigger opportunity to get into the acting world or to get into the modeling world. And when I was around, it was not as easy. And fortunately, आजकल ऐसे contests है like the Fiamma Beautiful Face contest. And I think it's a lovely platform for women who achieve, who dream to be in this kind of a profession. I think at the end of the day, हम दोनों actors हैं और हम दोनों काम करना चाहते हैं और definitely एक दूसरे के साथ काम करना चाहते हैं. And we are getting a lot of offers together. So, but at the same time, we are not going to do films together just for the heck of it. अगर script अच्छी है and both of us find it interesting, then we'll be a part of the film. मैंने एक ही एपिसोड होस्ट किया है और बहुत मजा आया. I don't think I'm as good as Anusha, but it's been a good experience. It's different from the kind of acting that I normally do on a day-to-day basis. It's very different from that, and it's a good career opportunity also. I already finished celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi at home. इस साल मैं बैंगलोर गई थी 4 दिन के लिए, and बहुत मजा आया क्योंकि मैं 3 साल के बाद जा रही हूँ गणेश चतुर्थी के लिए. So बहुत मजा आया. चांदनी चौक टू चाइना is an action film. एक action film है, comedy film है, romantic film भी है. And I play a double role in the film. So one girl has an Indian character, another girl has a part Chinese, part Indian character. It's been a lot of fun. बहुत मजा आया क्योंकि I had to do my eyeliner in a particular way so that I look Chinese. And it's a different look, interesting look, and I'm sure people are going to enjoy watching it. That you have to ask Priyan sir. I'd like to believe that he's taken me for the song because he believes that I was required in that song. But I'm really looking forward to it because after a long time, I think Farah, Shah Rukh and me are coming back together.